In this video, we will show you how to download and interpret the results of the performance of the students in the online practice. First, you click on the name of the class, and here under Unit, you're going to click on the download button. Once you open the Excel file, you will see several columns. In columns D to J, you will find the performance of the students in all of the activities in all of the units and sections. So, for example, column D, okay, you will see that this student has done 12 activities out of 220 activities possible. Now, and that corresponds, these 12 activities corresponds to the 5% of activities out of the total number of activities. Now, column G shows that this student has gotten 27 points out of 1,147 points available, which corresponds to 2% of all of the total points available. Now, from that point on, you will find, okay, the rest of the columns, the performance of the activities in the sections and or units depending on your course.